Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today's our session is the solar system and the universe. The solar system includes the sun, 8 planets and their satellites. The sun is at the center of the solar system. All the planets revolve around it in fixed paths called orbits. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets of the solar system and move in that order around the sun. The sun is also a star and is 330,000 times bigger than the Earth. Life of Earth exists because of the presence of water and air. The discovery of trace of water on the surface of Mars indicates the possibility of life there too. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air consisting of different gases, the atmosphere. Earth appears like a ball in the sky when seen from space, but is not really so. It is a little flattened at the top and the bottom, slightly bulging out at the center. This shape is called a geoid. In the ancient days, it was believed that the earth was flat. The Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan undertook many voyages to prove that it was not flat but round. Movements of the earth. Rotation of the earth around its axis. The earth spins around itself on an imaginary line passing through its center called the axis. This movement is called rotation. Now children, let us learn how is day and night caused. In the same way, the earth keeps rotating constantly at a fixed speed, taking 24 hours for one complete rotation. Every rotation causes day on one side of the earth facing the sun and the night on the other side of the earth facing away from the sun. Now, how are seasons caused? While rotating around its axis, the earth also moves around the sun in a fixed orbit. This movement is called revolution. It takes the earth 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution, which is called a year. Seasons are a result of the earth's revolution around the sun. Now children, let us learn about the moon. The moon is a satellite of the earth and can be seen in the night sky from the earth. It does not have light on its own, but reflects the light it receives from the sun. The moon rotates on its own axis and revolves around the earth in a fixed orbit. It takes about 28 days for the moon to complete one revolution around the earth. Now, phases of the moon. Due to the revolution of the moon and thus its varying lit surface, its shape seems to change constantly. As the moon revolves around the earth, we see different amounts of its illuminated or lit part but we always see the same side of the moon. Sometimes it looks like circle, full moon. Sometimes more than half a circle, gibbous. And sometimes a thin curved sliver, crescent. The different shapes of the moon are seen from the earth are known as the phases of the moon. Now children, let us learn about stars and constellations. Stars are extremely large heavenly bodies that are made up of hot burning gases. Stars have their own light. They do not move. There are countless stars in the universe, and they appear to be very small since they are very far from us. Many such stars, along with their family of planets, form a galaxy. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Our sun is also a star and is the most important source of light for the earth. Some groups of stars form patterns in the night sky. Such groups of stars are called constellations. Today we can recognize 88 constellations. Ursa Major, the Great Bear, Ursa Minor, the Little Bear, Leo, Lion, Orion, Hunter, and Centaurus are some of them. Now children, here ends today's session, our solar system and the universe. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and comment on our videos. And also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. Thank you.